The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
You can pretend nothing in the universe can stand up to the GoBot's Power Warrior.
He's built with GoBot power suits.
GoBot sold separately. Power suits are GoBot armor that shield and protect. And when they're combined with the Power Suit spaceship, they fuse the power of 5 GoBots into one awesome Power Warrior.
Nothing is more powerful.
GoBot Power Warrior. With 4 power suits and spaceship, GoBot sold separately. New from Tonka.
Milk, it does.
Milk does a body.
Milk, it does a body good.
Pass it on.
What you mean?
Keep you cool and keep you lean.
Makes you big, makes you strong.
Picks you up all day long.
It does. It's all there.
Good for teeth and bones and hair.
Milk, it does a body good.
Pass it on.
Milk it does.
Milk, it does a body good. Milk, it does a body good.
Pass it on.
We now return to the Pink Panther and Sons. The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
Are you gonna brave the rapids?
Sure, after this complete breakfast, including my Frosted Flakes, they bring out the tiger in you.
Good, you'll need it.
Good? They're good.
You'll show them you're a tiger. Show them what you can do. The taste of Tony's Frosted Flakes.
Wow.
Brings out the tiger in you.
Now, free inside Frosted Flakes. Something special for your bike. It's the robot bike reflector, and it's out of this world. Free while they last.
New from the Masters of the Universe collection.
To the battle bones!
The collector case that carries more than warriors, more than weapons. Your parents put it together.
Battle!
Battle Bones can also help you carry on the struggle. The struggle for...
All the power in the universe!
He-Man. The Battle Bones collector carry case, new from Mattel, each toy sold separately.
We now return to the Pink Panther and Sons. The Pink Panther and Sons will return after these messages.
Bird watching is neat. Wow, eggs! Surprise! McDonald's Happy Meal!
Hamburgers!
Soft drink! Fries!
All regular size! You guys crack me up with your jokes.
You mean yolks!
They pull, they bend, they're Popoids. And you can collect one of 4 different 3-piece Tomy Popoid sets when you buy a McDonald's Crazy Creatures Happy Meal. Then you can connect them all and use cutouts from the box to make Crazy Creatures. Crazy Creatures Happy Meal at participating McDonald's.
Here are a few words about Levi's jeans and cords.
It's going to be raining cats and dogs today.
Coming up on the Smurfs, when a fortune teller predicts disaster for those little blue adventurers, will it be their misfortune next? Then sing along with Alvin and the Chipmunks. When the Chipmunks become bakers to earn some money, will they make a lot of dough? It's a rare treat today.
Chucky.